Dear Mr. Trump, on this day, March 6, 2019 by Anna Von Reitz. Dear Mr. Trump, on this 6th day of March in the year 2019, we wish to convey our sympathy and support against the outrageous and unauthorized actions of the Municipal United States Congress. Feel free to exercise your options. We realize that you are not responsible for their bad behavior, and we are forwarding our displeasure to those who are responsible for them. We would like to see a directive go out to the United States military to properly inform all members that just because they signed up to act as United States citizens as a condition of receiving a paycheck, the rest of us are under no such obligation and must be left alone, not addressed, not spied on, not harassed, coerced, or made subject to any racketeering or unjust demand at all, ever, with regard to our choice of political status or the exercise of our rights and guarantees, including our exemptions. We have a nasty DoD, UN Corp, FBI and other assorted municipal alphabet soup group being run out of Michigan calling itself the Michigan General Jural Assembly, but in fact they are misrepresenting themselves as a lawful state jural assembly and are apparently aiming to set up a municipal corporation merely named after the actual state, instead. A bait-and-switch operation. We deduce this from the fact that their leadership all claims United States citizenship or citizenship of the United States, and they continue to promote the idea that such citizens have constitutional rights and guarantees and tell people that they can retain such citizenship obligations at the same time that they are purportedly acting as one of our state jural assemblies. Our states do not now, nor have they ever, allowed dual citizenship. We protest against all of these continuing, similar names deceits, and against all of these various foreign corporate enterprises seeking to impersonate our actual states while being guests upon our shores. We ask for your assistance in properly informing these groups and individuals, some of whom may be well-meaning patriots who are simply confused, some of whom are no doubt acting as undeclared foreign agents. Among all the other disinformation that supporters of this group are spreading is the idea that the FBI has approached me and asked me questions and otherwise bullied me. This is not true, nor should it be. As a subcontractor of a subcontractor, the FBI has no authority to address me, and neither does the IRS or any other municipal agency. We wish for your administration to make it completely clear that none of these contractors are to investigate, meddle with, contact, address, coerce, lie to, attempt to interfere with, co-opt, misdirect, or harm any American who is claiming their lawful birthright political status as an American state national or American state citizen of any of the now 50 states. We wish for all military contractors to be fully advised. We are the lawful civilian government of this country, and we are fed up with the service. Any service organization wishing to get a contract or keep one needs to stop playing games and do their actual jobs which do not include running co-option schemes and psychological warfare operations on the people of this country. We request and require the full and explicit compliance of all military personnel, including subcontractors, to cease and desist all operations aimed at destabilizing, thwarting, impersonating, co-opting, misinforming, threatening, bullying, or otherwise interfering with our state assemblies or misaddressing our lawful persons. We also request and require that they cease and desist all operations seeking to establish commercial corporations in our names or the names of our states. This is an unwelcome, unnecessary, fraudulent usurpation against the actual states and people of this country. We are quite competent and capable of issuing our own charters and will do so, an eventuality which is not the business of any territorial or municipal citizen, nor any federal agent, agency, subcontractor, or department. Thank you for your service and patience in the midst of such injustice. Please hit subscribe, like, share, embed, and get ready for many more Anna Von Reitz article videos.